Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and this looks like an index problem from somewhere hot and unpleasant, if you catch my drift. How do we deal with this? So this is another look at the aspects of indices and the ways in which we solve index problems. So, what have we got? Well, we've got 6 times 3 to the 2x minus 15 times 3 to the x equals 9. What do we do with this? Well, the technique is pretty simple. So, we make 3x equal a. It can be equal b or c or any letter other than x, so you don't get confused. Note it's this we make equal to a. It's the 3x. You'll see why in a minute. But we don't make a equal to this. Okay. So we do that and we substitute a for this expression here and a squared for this expression here. Now this may take a tiny bit of explanation. So we can rewrite this as 3x squared, all squared. And the rules simply say that this can be written as 3 to x. So we're back where we were. So you'll see that if we replace 3x with a, we can write this expression as a squared, which is indeed what we do. So again, I've written this out neatly and hopefully clearly because I tend to be messy when I work. So this expression is now 6a squared substituting for that, minus 15a equals 9. Let's turn it into a quadratic equal to 0. And the first thing to notice here, of course, is that these numbers are all divisible by 3. So we go ahead and do that. And we get 2a squared minus 5a minus 3 equals 0, which we can factorize to this. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, so that makes this job pretty easy. It's going to be combinations of 2 and 1 and 1 and 3. And what we want is negative 5 here. So negative 3 times 2, negative 6, plus 1, negative 5. 1 times negative 3, 2a times a. Everything works out. And the solutions for this equation are that a equals negative a half, or a equals 3, and I've got those just here. Okay, so I'm sorry, I'm sort of hiding the surprise ending over here. So a equals negative a half and a equals 3, but that is not the solution to this, and that's the key thing. There's one more thing to do. We have to remember that a was equal to 3x. Now we're told that a equals 3, so we can say 3x is equal to 3, so x could be 1. And indeed, that's the answer. The other solution to this was negative a half. 3x equals negative a half. The number that we would get for this is not a real number. So we can ignore this potential solution here, and this is the one that we're after. So x is equal to 1. Well, let's have a try of this. So 6 times 3 to the power of 2. So if x is 1, this whole thing is 2, so 3 squared, that's 9. So 9 sixes are 54. Minus 15 times 3 to the power of 1, 3 15s. 45, subtract that, and we get 9. This works. There we are. And that's how you do it. Remember the substitution for this. That's the key to this. But don't forget to keep going when you get your solutions here. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.